Hello everyone, Keith back here with the Kudondo Tech build. Today we want to get back into our build. So last time we set up vite and we opened the program. It was a 5-minute-ish video. This is what we have. So let's go ahead and run it. But before we run it, I want to let you guys know that this is actually my first time, well, it's my first time building a full project in React. I've dabbled in React, I've played around with it a little bit, but I've never actually built my own full project. So this is my first project, so we're going to be experimenting along the way. If there's anyone out there that's watching, be patient with me please, because we're trying to get there together. So today what I want to do, it's going to be a pretty short video. Before we start the development, we're going to clear out everything that needs to be cleared out. You can see app.jsx is open here. What I want to do first is run the project so you can see. Okay, so let's just say D. Okay, I don't know if you can see the terminal. Let me make it bigger here. So when we enabled vite, we enabled the developers, the run dev. So npm, I'm typing, sorry about that, npm run dev, and this should bring up our project. Oh dear, we've got a project. Okay, something's not working, so let's go npm, let's close this actually, and then we will cd front end. So cd front end will change the folder to front end, then we can try npm run dev, see what that does. Okay, yes, alright, good, we got it working. Control and click will take you to the website, and we've got two running for some reason. Oh, forget about that, don't worry about that. And as you can see, it's working as it's expected to. So we're going to leave this running in the background. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear everything off this page. That is the focus of this video. We're not building anything in this video. We're rather just getting rid of stuff that we don't need. Then in the next video, that's when the actual building starts. So first things first, we don't need app.css, so we can delete that. Move it to the recycle bin. Maybe we'll want it later, I don't know. Other than app.css, let's go into JSX. Yes, we wanted to get rid of everything here, so Control A and delete that. Now there is a shortcut which is ref-c. Well, that's how I say it, ref-c. React Arrow Function Export Component. I don't know why they say CE when it's actually EC. But what that does is it gives you boilerplate code that looks like this. So that, if you can't get that on your app, what you need to do is you go to in VS Code, go to extensions, and here it is here, ES7 Redux React. So install this and it'll give you a whole long list of supported languages and what you can do using them. So it helps quite a bit when you let me try and find that actually. RCE, this is the pretty much similar to what we've got already. So that's pretty much what that is. That's how that works. After we've done that, we had to do something else. I'm just checking react.svg. Okay, we need to get rid of that. We don't need that. We will be uploading our own assets in the next video. I need to just collect assets. So what I'm building is an online store. This online store is going to have laptops, desktops, servers, networking equipment, all sorts of stuff. So I just need to collect a couple of assets, and our logo has already been designed. It just needs to be moved into the assets folder. So I'll show you all of that in the next video. But for now, index.css, I don't think we need this. Do we need this? No, we'll be redoing CSS anyway, so let's get rid of it. And then finally, index.html. Index.html, we've got a title page here. Well, no, so this is going to the main.jsx, but our title is not vite plus react, it is Kudondo tech. So Kudondo, I'm spelling it wrong. Kudondo tech. Let's say Zimbabwe's leading tech supplier. Something like that. I don't know. Probably change it later. But anyway, this is pretty much it. Save that. Save your index. And I haven't created a GitHub repo yet for this, so I think that's a good time to start. Let's go to source control. And then we're going to initialize the GitHub repository. This will initialize it to my personal GitHub, Keith John Smith. Let's commit this. What are we gonna say in our commit? Yes, we can. Now this will be init commit. Just initial commit for GitHub. Save it and close it, and then it'll publish branch. So now we want to publish our branch, and I want to make it public because I might have so my brother is a business partner. He also knows a little bit about web development. He might give us a little bit of input, so I'm just going to make it public so he can access it as well. So there you go, it's been published, and that's pretty much it, guys. We have removed everything we need to do. Let me show you what it looks like now. Blank screen, the label at the top here, you can see Kudondo Tech, Zimbabwe's leading tech supplier. That's it, done. Excellent.